Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's all.
So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today we have with us Bhavya Kapoor. So, he is a magician regarded as the best magician from Balbharti Public School, Gangaram Hospital Marg. And let me tell you where some of his achievements, past achievements, like he took part in the farewell of Balbharti of 2019 batch, and more lately, he took also got the opportunity to perform at a mega event in Gurgaon, and also took part in several street plays and neighboring stages. So here we have today Bhavya Kapoor. So hello Bhavya,
Hello, Cynthia.
how are you doing?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. So let's get started with the video and not waste time. And I would like to mention that we have a special trick coming up from Bhavya later in this video. So please don't skip the part and watch till the end to have the display of his excellency. Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
So, as you said that you wanted to pursue magic, and where did this idea initially come up and pop up in your mind of taking up what we call as psychological illusionist more precisely? So,
Yes.
where did the idea come up?
Yeah. So I was around 11 years old when my parents sent me to a summer camp called as brain optimization. So they train us our subconscious brain. They taught us how to read newspapers with our eyes blindfolded, how to memorize a long paragraph within few seconds. They provided us with the cards with different colors and patterns printed on them. One day, during the training session, I just gathered I just gathered all the people around and performed a card trick. So that trick was taught to me by my grandfather. And with that simple trick, I amazed all the people gathered around me. And after the performance, during the night time, I just visualized how I amazed everyone during the performance and thought, why not to continue the same idea in the future as well? So from that point, from the next day, the idea of psychological illusionist popped up in my mind.
Okay, that's a great start to your career, I guess. And I
Yeah,
wish you all the best, and you get more opportunities to perform on different events and have the exposure as a psychological illusionist. That's great.
yeah, thank you.
So my next question to you is that how did you learn these magic tricks, what we call illusions precisely? So did you learn it from any mentor, or did you take any class or something like that, or did you completely learn on your own watching YouTube or such kind of things?
Yes, from the next day after the performance, I just searched for YouTube, searched the internet, and got to know about several card tricks. And after that, for 2 to 2.5 years, I just showed the same 3 to 4 card tricks that I learned to my relatives again and again. And they also knew the secret behind that. But to make me feel happy and comfortable, they reacted as they are amazed. And like there are seven rags in the music, like Sa Re Ga Ma, and the whole music industry revolves around that seven rags. In the same way, there are several techniques in magic also. And I learned them, practiced them a lot, and made hundreds and thousands of illusions and magic tricks revolving around that basic techniques. And so how I learned those magic tricks.
Okay, that's great. So, like your hobby, which is magic and taking up psychological illusionist, and you have to spend a lot of time behind this, learning these skills and like getting adjusted with all the play of hand. What we call is the art of the hand. So it might take a lot of time and toll on you. So how do you balance both your academics and as you said that you are pursuing your science stream, so it's quite difficult. So how do you balance both the academics and your hobby together?
Yeah, so it is dependent on every person how they manage their things. So I have my own way and I'm going to explain you that. So once my grandfather said a quote, he said in Hindi, but I'm going to translate it for you in English. He said, concentrate all your thoughts upon the work in hand. which means concentrate on the work you are doing at this moment and achieve excellence in that. So, whatever work you are doing, just concentrate it entirely with your mind, soul, and body, and you will be successful in achieving a fruitful thing. And yeah, I love the work I do, whether it is doing magic tricks or studying. I do it with my heart and can easily manage them both simultaneously. So that was my way to balance both the things.
Okay, that's great. Like every other guy has to do that because they cannot leave behind their hobby or passion because it's like very close to their hearts. But simultaneously, you need to focus on your studies as well. Yeah, that's like pretty difficult sometimes. It takes a toll on you, but like you have to balance both because you can't leave behind any of them. That's great. So, for what in your life do you feel grateful?
Yeah, so I would like to mention several people in this group. So in my life, I'm most grateful to my parents who provided me with such a good and excellent education, who made me buy several magic stuff, who helped me in every task I do, and to motivate me whenever I feel bad or down. And most important, my friends who are my support system, who helped me to achieve success, who just made me understand several chapters that I missed during my events, and who are just backbone of my success right now. Yeah, so
That's nice. So, as I promised, that we will have a display of Bhavya's excellency in his field of magic, and we will have some kind of trick from his side. So, Bhavya, do you mind showing us a trick from your collection?
yeah, why not? So I just made a card trick for you. So do you have knowledge about the cards?
Yeah, I've got some basic knowledge.
Yeah, so I have blue bicycle playing cards, 52 card shuffle deck, as you can see.
Yeah,
Yeah, so how many cards are there? Can you tell?
52 cards.
Yeah, so there are 52 cards, and 26 are of red color and 26 are of black color.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
and yeah, the most important thing, first of all, we haven't set anything up. So it's
Yeah,
just a
yeah,
random conversation between us.
yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so there are 26 red cards and 26 black cards.
Yeah,
Yeah, so you have to choose a color, red or black. Just choose anyone.
I would choose black.
Black. Okay, so that was a free choice.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and the black have clubs and the spades. You
Yeah,
you have to choose a pattern, clubs or the spades, any pattern you want.
I will choose club.
The clubs, perfect. Okay, so now the black, the clubs, and there are ace to 13 cards. There are some number cards like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there are three picture cards, Jack, Queen, and King. So you have to choose a category, the face cards or the number cards.
I will choose. I will go for the number card. Yeah,
Number cards. So number cards are from ace to 10. And so as you chose number cards, you have to say a number between 8 to 10, any number.
8 to 10.
Yeah.
So let me go with, I guess, eight. Yeah, eight is fine.
8. Ace or the 8?
Eight.
8. Okay, perfect. So you chose the black at the first side, then clubs, and then the 8.
Yeah,
Yeah, so the card we got is 8 of clubs.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so that is totally random, or you want to change the card.
No, I'm happy with my choice.
And count to 5. If you want to change your mind, change your card, you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so you sure with that. You don't want to change.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so we have the card 8 of clubs.
yeah,
Yeah, so in this entire deck, I have one card face down,
yeah.
which is placed in a different position as that of the rest 51 cards. Okay, so your card is 8 of clubs. So as you can see in the deck, I have one card face down, as you can see in the entire deck. Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
In the entire deck, I have one card face down. So yeah, what was your card?
I had 8 of clubs.
Okay, so the 8 of clubs right here.
Oh man, that was like mind blowing, man.
Yeah,
Amazing,
thank you.
amazing.
Thank you.
I hope everyone liked it, and please do watch his YouTube channel. He has got many such stuff, cool stuff, and I hope you always will appreciate his magic and do contact him. And I am requesting Bhavya to like have some personal sessions with you guys so that you can have a
Sure.
personal experience with him and have his and have a display of his excellence in the field of magic. So, lastly, I would say thank you, Bhavya, for putting up such a magic show and joining us, especially, and sharing your experiences and your journey of like taking up psychological illusionist specifically. And thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate the time and the amount of hard work you put in to like have a display of this show.